Thank you for keeping it on Great Day SA. There are common disparities that portions of our community go through that may go unnoticed, but a local organization is helping bridge those gaps. I learned all about digital inclusion. Here's more. Welcome, Monica Gonzalez, Community Initiatives Manager with Methodist Healthcare Ministries. It is nice to have you here. I know you guys are very passionate about what you do, so can you tell our audience what that is?
Yeah, thank you for having me. So Methodist Healthcare Ministries is a faith-based nonprofit located here in San Antonio. We're dedicated to improving the health and wellness of low-income families and the uninsured. As co-owners of the Methodist healthcare systems, we invest our earnings back into the community. So we make sure there's direct clinical care for the uninsured or underinsured. We have grant making for nonprofits. We also do policy and advocacy work and really launch initiatives to help reduce the barriers to health.
Wow, so many things that we don't consider others may be struggling with. So one of those things is digital inclusion, and why is that important? What is it exactly? Maybe just to clarify.
Yeah, so like digital inclusion, so think about it. Today, practically every aspect of our life is online, whether it's a job, whether it's school, or even being connected to our friends and family, all that happens online. So if you don't have that digital access, you're missing out that opportunity. So when we talk about digital access, it's really digital inclusion. It's about having that connection, an internet connection, the device that you need, the digital skills, but also being safe online, you know? So the pandemic really highlighted the need. So if we look at it today, 92% of jobs require digital skills, but yet a third of workers don't even have that. So if we really want to have healthy communities and strong digital infrastructure, we need to think about digital equity. You know, communities with a healthy digital infrastructure have better paying jobs, attract small businesses. So really digital equity is health equity.
So what does it look like in San Antonio and South Texas? Because I think, oh, maybe everybody has internet, but they really don't.
Yeah, they really don't. So we think about South Texas, about 20% people don't have connections to the internet. But we're very fortunate here in San Antonio that our local government and nonprofits are working together. So the county and the city are really working to bridge that digital divide. So hopefully by the end of 2026, we'll have 35,000 more homes connected to the internet. But also we have a lot of nonprofits who are doing digital skills training, providing computer labs, and that opportunity for folks to get connected.
That's great. It's good news to hear all around, and something that I think I'm always going to keep at the back of my mind now. What can people do to help you guys with this and all your other efforts?
Yeah, I definitely say visit mhm.org if you want to learn more about what we're doing as an organization. But if you're an individual really looking for that digital skills training or looking for a computer lab, visit the San Antonio Community Resource Directory. So that's sacrd.org. I realize the irony, I'm telling you here all these online resources, but if you're not able to get online, visit a local library. They are great community assets, so make sure they'll help you really get connected to the resources that you need.
And those places people will be able to find access to internet.
Exactly.
Okay, great. Well, this is wonderful because maybe a neighbor that you know, a friend that you know doesn't have it, and now they know where they can get it. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having us.